Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to my videos. Today's tutorial, you will learn about how to convert base 10 fraction. So let's start from 1/10. To convert this fraction to decimal, that is very easy. So what you're going to do is just make a 0 at first and then continue by point and put one strip line. Why one? Because there's only one zero here, so depends on how many zeros in the fraction. That is how you decide how many lines, how many digits after the point. So here it's only one and we just put one here, so the answer for 1/10 is 0.1. What if I change that into 2/10? The same one, so again 0.1 digit after point, because there's only one zero here. It's only one zero here. Okay, so we just put 2 right away there. Okay, still easy. And then now let's move to the next example. It is base 100 like this. How to make 200s? The same way, so make 0 at first and then put the point, but now there will be 2 digits after the decimal point. And how to put the 2? This number should be the number at the end of this decimal, so you have to put 2 the very last digit as the very last digit. And then because there is no in the tenth, so we put 0 here. So the answer is 0.02. What if to 1000? It is similar. So again, make 0.123 digits after, because it is 1000. You have 3 zeros. The same way, always put this digit at the end of this decimal. So I will put to here and 0 at front, 0 at front. So the answer of 1000 is 0.002. That is the first example and the easiest example that you will learn. Now let's make something that is more complicated. Let's change the number. Start from this one. What if 12 hundreds? So the same way, so you have to put 0 and then you see there are 2 zeros there. It means that you have to put 2 digits there. In here you have to use the smaller numerator. So it is 2 here, the smallest place value. Put it at behind, at the last, and then continue by the rest number. So put 1 there. So the answer is 0.12. And let's make the 12 1000s. How to make this? The same way, so you have to put 0 point, but it's 3 digit because there are 3 zeros. And always the same, put the 2 or the last digit in the numerator as the last digit for the decimals, and then continue with the rest. There is no tens, so put 0. So the answer is 0.012. Remember to read this one. After decimal point, you only can read it one by one. Okay, next example. Let's make it into larger. Let's make it 123 over 1000, or 123 1000s. The same, always the same. 0 point. Let's see how many zeros there. Yes, 3. So 3 digit that you will put it there. And again, let's see the smallest place value in the numerator. It is 3. So put 3 at last, and then continue with 2, and then continue with 1. and now you have 0.123. Yeah, this is how you convert bastant fractions into decimal. Now for you, I'll give you questions. What about this decimal point? What is the decimal point for this? You can type it in the comment, and the one that get correct answers, I will give you likes. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Please hit the like buttons, and if you like, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for the updates.